Now, we had some strong winds last night, I'll tell you. Here's the tower. That windmill had the brake on the whole time. The tower's obviously strong enough. Obviously, that thing's strong enough. Let that be enough concrete. I'm gonna have to change that, I guess. Haven't seen it do that before. I'm just glad it didn't come down. That's all. So I'll wait until this wind dies off and fix it.